Hello again. Let's do unboxing and test this Mechman steam cleaner for home. It is portable, has 6 different adjustable levels, pressure, and different brushes. First, I wanted to wash my sink really good and then test it. Okay, for start, we need to fill it up with water right in here. We do have marks over here. You can go up to max, but not more than that. So my main problem is this kind of mold growing under between the slab and the sink portion on those on that silicone part, and it kind of is all around. So I want to see what I can get with this steam cleaner. To turn it on, you plug it in first, then you turn this on button. So first, this button will blink red. That indicates it's still heating up the water. And once it's green, it's ready for use. And we are ready. I guess for first time, it's kind of pumping the water. So I definitely think it did some cleaning because I see a bunch of gunk coming off all over, all around. I do need to rinse it off because it just kind of takes it off, and then you need to wipe it down or rinse it. So I definitely do see the difference. Okay, so my second piece that I want to test this steam cleaner on is this little outdoor table. It was somewhere next to a garage, and I'm not even sure what in the world this is. I can't just wipe it off. I can't scrape it off. So if I am able to get it off with this steam cleaner, I will be surprised. But if not, then it's okay. So I have no idea what this is. Maybe I'll need a knife or something to scratch it off. Anyway, the glass looks rough. I just washed it, wiped it, just to see the difference, how it is after a regular cleaning versus after this steam cleaner. So let's put this steam cleaner to the test on this rough table. For this one, I will use this brush since we have a bigger surface and we don't have narrow areas to get into. And just kind of pop it on there. Nice and tight. You don't have to screw it on, just pop it on there. Turn it on. By the way, if you turn it off, you press minus and you will see it going down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then pressure goes all down. Okay, since we got a bunch of water here, I'm gonna wipe it down. So this did not come off, but since we're at it, I'm gonna try and scrape it off. I guess it got a little loose and came off. So this is how it looks after our cleaning. I think it looks a little better. It doesn't look like sparkling clean, which is expected. because this is like years old. And we are in my shower. I do want to try cleaning this door. It does look icky. Can't even see through. Oh, look at that. That's gross. And also I want to work on this area. I left it dirty for the purposes of this video, so don't judge. Now moving on to this glass, I'm gonna try and use this piece, see how it performs. Let's look at this. Obviously it's wet right now. I'm gonna wipe it down. Let's see, do we see a difference on the window? I think so. Let me see from this side. Yep, I like it. Okay, so I think this is very cool tool to have at home. You can clean different things, different corners, different upholstery, curtains, furniture, grout, you name it. And it's very easy to use, very light to move around, nice and long cord, and this pipe. So I like it and recommend.